Hello, this is the second episode of my coding journey to say. I've decided to add my face now, as you can see, that's my face, and hopefully this makes the video more engaging. If you think it doesn't make it more engaging, I'll happily listen to you saying that I am ugly in the comment section and I'll remove my face. So, from the last video, we have progressed in the foundations section of the Odin project. So last video I was here at the end of the CSS section and I just finished the landing page. It's been a week since then and I've just finished the project rock paper scissors. So here's the code for it, and the actual game I can just drag and drop there. Beautiful. So it just, as it says, this page says enter rock, paper, or scissors. So, you enter rock, for example. Oh, I won. So you win, rock beats scissors. And you can enter paper if you want. Okay, we lost. This computer's just better than me. And we can also enter scissors, just like that. Okay. And say you mistype something and it will ask you to retry, so we can enter paper. We drew actually. And I have made it case insensitive, just as the project asks you to do. So if you type rock, still works. If you do rock, in any formation, capital letters can be anywhere, as long as the spelling's right, then we're good to go. And I can check out the score. I can type in score. I'm pretty sure you can do it with caps as well. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, there's the score. These scores currently are, the computer has 2 points and we have 3 points, so we're winning. That's wonderful. Yeah, that's about all there is to the program, and we can just quit simply by typing in quit, and it'll tell us the scores again. It'll say the game is finished, tell us the scores, and then who wins or if anybody won. So now I'll attempt to describe my thought process and how I coded the code behind it. So here it's just the variables for the computer score, the user score, and then the user choice, which will later be assigned a value. So first we have the function for get user choice, which just gets the choice of the user. So when the prompt comes up asking you to enter rock, paper, scissors, that's what this function does. So simply user choice equals prompt and enter rock, paper, scissors. And then I've said if the type of user.choice is a string, so it'll always return a string unless they click cancel, then it'll return null. Pretty sure that's how it works. So yeah, if they do enter null, then I have it here in the, actually I'll explain that. So if the type of, if it returns a string, then we convert it into lowercase, and that's why it's case insensitive, because everything gets processed in lowercase. And then I have made an array of all the possible choices, answers, whatever, that can be entered or should be entered for something to occur, and I've said if user.choice isn't in that array, that's what that line is, and then we run a while loop. So while the user.choice isn't in that array, we keep asking and asking and asking for the user to enter something else. That's like when you saw I mistyped my answer, it just simply asked me to re-enter it. So yeah, and the user choice, yeah, equals prompt to lowercase. I actually don't know how to make it a lowercase only when they enter a correct answer and that isn't null. So what I could do is just simply ask for the user to enter something and then check it, rather than just having the loop end once the answer can be found in the array. So I might change it to that actually. Alright, anyway, the next function is get computer choice. That's simply, we have an array of all the choices, we get a random number, and then that random number is correlated to one of the indexes in here. So this returns a number between 0 to 2, and whatever the number is, we will get the value that is assigned to that index. So if it's 1, we'll get index 1, which is paper, get 2, scissors, and then 0, it's rock. Simple as that. And then function 3, that's when we typed in score, that displays the score. So simply, it just compares the user score and the computer score, and whichever one, and based on that, it will log something. So if the computer score is greater than the user score, then it will log both scores and then say the computer is winning. If the computer score is less than the user score, it will log both scores and say the user is winning. And if they are equal, else, that's the only other outcome. So yeah, it will log both scores and then just say it's a draw. And then function match is when once we have both choices, we run it through here and see who actually won. So the way I did this was, I made an if statement saying if they were equal, then the result variable equals draw, and else, and then a switch statement combining both answers. So the user choice comes first, and then we combine it with the computer choice, and the first 3 cases here are all if the user wins. So if the user chose rock and the computer chose scissors, user would win. If the user chose paper and the computer chose rock, user would win. Scissors, paper, same scenario. If any of these were the case, then the result would be that we win, and we display user choice beats computer choice, and then I increment the user choice, and the same thing happens for the computer as well. So same thing here, and then we just log the result variable. And then while user choice, this is the while loop, so we can keep on playing the game until we want to stop. So maybe I should change this to just while true, and then just break the loop if we enter quit or null. I presume that's a better way to do it. But anyway, actually, yeah, I'm just going to change that real quick. I'm pretty sure this should just work fine. Let me just test. Alright, so I just changed that to break if we enter quit or null, so if you press the cancel button. And yeah, if you decide to type in quit, then simply we display both scores and say who won, or if you drew, then you drew. And yeah, that's simple as that. And then else, if the user chooses score, then we just display the score from the score variable, score function above. And else, so if you don't enter score, or if you don't decide to quit and you just enter rock, paper, or scissors, then we run the match function with the user choice that's been in where we got up here, and we just get the computer choice using the get computer choice function. Yeah, simple as that. If you have any ways you would suggest I improve this, please leave it in the comment section. I'll put a link. I'll make this a GitHub repository thing as well, and then I'll put the link of that in the description, and you can leave your thoughts in the comment section. Leave thoughts about anything, how I can improve the video, or how I can improve the video, or how I could improve the code. And yeah, so thank you for watching this far. If you have, please like and maybe share with someone who could also assist me or would just enjoy watching the video.